Departing off platform number 2 is your 1537 Southeastern service from Ramsgate via Canterbury West to London Charing Cross. Three 75813 is at the front. With 375825 on the rear. Welcome back to Tonbridge. Well, we've seen services by GBRF. Well, we've seen some freight trains, Southeastern and Southern. What's incoming now is the 1542 Southeastern service to Ramsgate via Canterbury West. Or Ramsgate and Canterbury. Ramsgate and Canterbury West. 375910's on the front. Front 4 are going to go to Ramsgate via Dover Priory. And then the rear 4 are going to detach and continue to Canterbury West. 375617 is on the rear. To Ramsgate and Canterbury West. Off going on platform number 4 at Tunbridge is a dual pairing of 375s to London Cannon Street from Tunbridge Sidings. 375606 is on the rear, with 375625 on the front. To London Cannon Street. Coming through now is a 10 coach, is two 465s and a 466 going to Tunbridge Wells. 466011's on the front. Doing an empty coaching stock movement. Four 65 190 in the middle. With 465 191 on the rear to Tunbridge Wells. Here we have coming down the down fast here into Ashford, Tonbridge. It's a train from London Bridge to Tunbridge Jubilee Sidings. With 375701. I'm going to hazard a guess and say the driver's going to switch to this carriage, that carriage, and or get requests from the signaller to reverse into Tunbridge Jubilee Sidings. So it is very strange. Also, it's called Kent Air Ambulance Fighter Explorer. Departing off platform number 1 is your 1547 Southern service to Redhill. Also now approaching platform 2 is your delayed 1544 Southeastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. 377309 is going to Redhill. There we go, hopefully that's fixed it. If it's not, then that's my problem. Here comes the London Charing Cross train, one of many that we're going to see this evening. Well, here we have a problem, we have a race. Here comes a Southeastern service bound for Hastings from London Charing Cross. 375623 is on the front. whilst departing 375618 from Hastings to London Charing Cross, not going to be able to get the rear of the Hastings train because of this 375. But I can get you the rear of this one. It's 375916. To Hastings and London Charing Cross. Whilst this train here, the driver's gone through, so I thought he would have got a request to stay in the cab down there and reverse into the depot, because some freight train drivers do that. So I wasn't really sure if it was for Southeastern as well, but clearly not. You have to go through the train yourself, which is fair enough. Not even long after ending the clip, the driver's already going off. So he's clearly tabbed the signal to go through this red here to get into Tunbridge sidings. But yeah, from London Bridge to Tunbridge Jubilee sidings. If you need a reminder of what that number is, I can tell you. It's 375701. Again, yeah, he's tabbed it. He's tabbed to go through the station, or the red signal, because that white thing down there needs tab request. Whilst my bad for semi-lying, but I didn't know if I'd be able to see the rear of this Hastings train. But departing now is your 1552 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Hastings via Tunbridge Wells. 375620 is on the rear of the train. Also got another double yellow, so I suspect that's going to be our third London Charing Cross train of the evening. Whilst what he said, the 1550 Southeastern service from Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross. Oh no! 465159. I'm pretty sure this is the train that caught fire. 465159, please don't catch fire this time. To London Charing Cross. Whilst after not departing now is your 1550 Southeastern service from Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross. Next calling point of this train, I believe, being Orpington. No, Sevenoaks. 465024 is in the middle. I did do a bit of research, and 465159 is the one that caught fire. So at least it hasn't caught fire yet. Well, once again, 466003 is on the rear to London Charing Cross from Tunbridge Wells. Next calling point of the train being Sevenoaks, then Orpington, London Bridge, Waterloo East, and finally London Channel Spark. Don't catch fire. Anyways, yeah, to London Charing Cross. Whilst coming up now, I'm going to be real with you. I don't know where it came from, but 375803 is coming in to Tunbridge again. So it tells me this is also going to the sidings. Whilst coming in down there, that other 375 is the one from Strood. That's one of the many, well, a handful of services now a day that go from Tonbridge to Strood. It's 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening, I think. This is the first one of the evening. It's the 1600 to Strood. What he said. Coming in on platform number 2 now is your Southeastern service to Tunbridge Wells. Here comes your Tunbridge Wells train. 465183 is on the front. Also, that bit of the carriage looking not very healthy. Not sure what the middle was, but we will find out. So, sure. Find out. I I tell you what's on the back, it's 466028. With 465003 on the rear, in the middle. Whilst passing off platform number 3 is your 1604 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Tunbridge Wells. The previous 375 on the down fast, pointing over there, was going from New Cross to Tunbridge Wells. Tunbridge Wells. Now coming in on platform number 1 is your terminated southern service from Redhill, terminating here at Tunbridge. 377325. Indeed, coming in at the far end of the platform because the one in the middle of the platform has no clue what it's doing. From Redhill. Coming in on platform number 2 is your 1607 Southeastern service from Dover Priory via Folkestone to London Charing Cross. 375806 on the front. Whilst I will get the other two 375s on departure. What's now departing on platform number 2 is your now delayed 1607 Southeastern service from Dover Priory via Folkestone to London Charing Cross, next calling point of the train being Sevenoaks. (375.823) is in the middle and 375.806 is on the front. With 375.908 on the rear. London Charing Cross, next corner point of the train, being Sevenoaks. Now coming from the down fast at Tonbridge is one of our few many freight trains coming from Marlow to Tunbridge West Yard. Pulled by a 66, so it'd probably be a GBRF 66 because it's going to the GBRF depot here in Tunbridge. Doesn't look like a GBRF one. It is a GBRF freight train. Looks like a unique livery one. 66793. What's now coming in on platform number 2 is your 1614 Southeastern service from Hastings via Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross. It's got a little kitty up cat. Whilst the London Charing Cross train is calling at Sevenoaks, Orpington, London Bridge, London Waterloo East and London Charing Cross. Really unsure how I'm going to film the Ramsgate train as well, because through that gap I'm going to have to try and get the numbers. If the 375 doesn't get out of the way. Well, 375614 is leading the proceedings to London Charing Cross. To London Charing Cross. What's now departing off platform number 2 is your 1614 Southeastern service from Hastings via Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross. That's corner point of the train being Sevenoaks. The 1613 to Ramsgate has came in on platform number 3, but I'm not going to be able to get the numbers. 375608 is in the middle, with 375614 on the front. With 375912 on the rear. Right, we'll keep rolling. The train now departing off platform number 1 is your 1614 Southern service to Redhill. Can't lie, lie, Penshurst, Godstone, Edenbridge and Redhill, I believe. Yep, corner lie, Penshurst, Edenbridge, Godstone, Nutfield and Redhill. Coming in on platform number 2 now, 1619 Southeastern Surrey from Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross. 465195 on the front. Corner Hilton Borough, Sevenoaks, Chelsfield, Orpington, London Bridge, Waterloo East and London Charing Cross. Flying off platform number 2 now, 1619 Southeastern service from Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross. And Jesus Christ, it's a cold evening tonight. 465190's in the middle. Pretty sure this is the pair that went, the triple lot that came down from the depot. 466011. It is the pair that went down to Tunbridge Wells not too long ago. Ah, so here comes another freight train. I can tell you where it came from. It came from Tonbridge Engineer Sidings to Tonbridge Engineer Sidings. You see it through this gap here to see what the number is. Hopefully. Come far enough down, come far enough down, come far enough down. Sorry for the clip briefly ending. My phone is literally running out of storage. But the 66 was the Royal Platinum Jubilee 66. It was 66734. Here we have a freight train coming through. Oh, it's not even a freight train. That's loud. Rail treatment train. Well, a rail treatment train from which? What's this 66 staying for 8? Oh, 66734 is just left. We have a 375 coming. I'm going to try and condense down as much as I can. But coming in on platform 4 with a very slow pace, I'm going to assume this came from New Cross. But I really don't know. It looks like Hastings. Yes, I do believe it's Hastings. The text will tell you where the train's coming from, but I'm really sorry. There's not a lot I can do. So. Whilst departing now on the down main is the 66 that's been parked here for about 2 centuries at this point. Going from Harlow to Tunbridge West Yard, which is down there. I think he's reversing. I don't know how he's going to get to Tunbridge West Yard, but he's managing. He can do it, I believe it. Come on. I don't know why I did that, I'm really sorry. Whilst the train coming on platform number 2 is to Tunbridge Wells once again. It's, no, it's not a 465, it's a 375. So might as well keep the clip rolling. This will be, I believe, the third to last train of the day with, no freight train, something. Anyways, yeah, this will be there's more trains. Who would have thought more trains? Who loves more trains? I like trains. Whereas, what can I get first? Can I get these 465s going to Tunbridge Wells, or can I get the 375? Something tells me I'm getting the 375. Please go through first. Please go through first. Ah, damn it. It's got its headlights on, which is the point. 701 is coming back again. 375 701 has came back for the millionth time. It's like you're becoming a regular stalker here at Tonbridge. What's coming in now is the 465. Oh, for fuck's sake. And it's reversing. Oh, brilliant. I can get the rear. I'll try. 46596. That the freight train's moving very fast. Like 465181 to Tunbridge Wells. Next and final point, not final point, second and last calling point will be High Brooms, then Tunbridge Wells. But we will see a train from, well, potentially by the time this video is uploaded, from Spotting Mix's channel. And it came from Derby RTC to Tunbridge West Yards, which he saw at about 11 o'clock this morning. And it's now 4:30. I'm not going to film the end of this freight train because you know where it's going already. I'll put the little card at the bottom of the video whilst you're watching the video, so you know where it's going from. So here we are for our final train of the evening. It's it's a dual pairing of 73s going from Derby RTC to Tunbridge West Yard. 73962, dick my butt. And 73961 Alison. It's going to come back to Tunbridge in about 15 minutes, but I'm not going to be here. But thank you all very much for watching. It's been greatly appreciated during this technically rush hour at Tunbridge. If you enjoyed what you see, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. I do go back soon when I get the opportunity to. Anyways, thank you for joining me here at Tunbridge. Thank you and goodbye.